Lopez. I am here to teach you how to make preserved foods. But first, can you give me one importance why we should preserve foods? That is right. We preserve foods to prevent it from spoilage until it can be consumed. For today, we are going to make pineapple jam. The ingredients are as follows. 1 large pineapple, cut into cubes, blend it to make a puree, and measure the pureed pineapple. We need 2 cups of it. 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, half of lemon, pinch of lemon zest. Tools and equipment are measuring cup, blender, pan and ladle, container, juice extractor, and grater. Now let's start to make our pineapple jam. Before that, be sure to wear your apron, hairnet, and wash your hands. If you don't have hairnet, make sure that your hair is tied properly. First, get a cubed pineapple. Put it in the blender to make a puree. This is puree. Measure 2 cups of pureed pineapple and put it in the pan. Add 1 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of butter. Then the lemon juice. Let's squeeze the lemon. Then put it in the pan. Then add the lemon zest. How to get lemon zest? Simply grate the lemon peel to have a lemon zest. This is the lemon zest. Now let's put this into boil. Our pineapple jam cools down. Let's put it in a container. jam with toasted bread. This is really yummy. I hope you enjoyed my video and try this at home. Goodbye!